Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Corey Cain here, you're welcome. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also to click the bell icon down below so that you'll be notified each time there's a brand new upload. So guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry for being quiet recently. I was dealing with some work issues and I was quite overwhelmed with work, but I am back yet with another one. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to achieve a soft smoky eye, like a soft smoky, a neutral sultry smoky eye with a wing eyeliner. So guys, keep on watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also to click the bell icon down below so that you'll be notified each time there's a brand new upload. Without further ado, let's quickly jump right into the video. I've decided to do my other eye off camera to just sample out what I want to do, because most of the time whenever I say I just want to sit on the camera and do something that I feel like I want to do, I end up doing something very dramatic, not aligning with what I have said I'm going to do. So today I just decided, let me just quickly sample out what I want to do just to outline myself so that I will be able to know what I'm supposed to achieve is what because sometimes I get to be very adventurous with what doesn't align with what I told you guys. But anyway, we're going to do a simple eye look. So as I've told you, I'm going to do this eye you see right here, like a smoky chocolatey eye, which is very bronzy, as you can see. This is very bad. So what I did was I prepped my lids out of camera. I did my eyebrows, prepped my lids, and then now it's time for me to just show you the outline. So first of all, before we go anywhere, I dip into this color right here you see here from the Pushy palette, then tap access, then start to build structure here. I build structure here on the outer view of what you call it, nostrils, just to build structure for what you call it, your nose. First off, build structure, and then I dip into the same color right there, the same color guys I told you I use for my same color. I use this round fluffy brush just to mix it. So guys, for some of us who have hooded eyes, just make sure you bring your eyeshadow upwards. Right there, you see? This is where you're supposed to bring your eyeshadow. Then, whenever you put your makeup, make sure you avoid harsh lines, blend to your armhole. So now I'm going to use my pressed powder. This is my shade. Just to blend everything seamlessly here, right? So make sure everything is blended. Tap more, and making sure everything. Then we're gonna grab our flat fluffy brush. Then we're gonna tap into this pan here, this dark color right here. We just tap both sides, tap access. Then I start to build my color from the lid going up to a crease. Same color, tap. The dark color will choke. Then we start to press it in, heading towards the crease. Just darken a little bit. Then dip back into our pressed powder. Then we blend everything. Then we grab the brush that we used first with our transition color, then we go in with our transition color, making sure we build structure again. The structure is supposed to be built just for my eyelid to look more structured. As you can see, good eyes. So I try as much as I can to make my eyelid structured. And now my hobby. Perfect. So deep back into our deepening color, taking just a little bit to the eye and blending to the crease. Ooh. Ooh. Perfect. Now it's time for me to line. I use my Cosmetics liquid liner. So whenever I'm lining, I make sure I look down, pressing the nails. Then I grab my fan, my hand fan, just blow right so that I won't smudge. I won't smudge. So that's it, guys. Let me go and finish the rest of the face. I'll come back with the finished product, but before then, guys, if I come back with some extra zhuzhed up stuff, do not judge me, because I'm extra honey. This is the rest of the face all complete. This is the finished product. Did I not went on and do the dramatic lip head with a dramatic eyelash out there? Girl, this is so dramatic, extra, and nice, honey. It's bougie. It's giving fall. It's giving I'm here to slay. It's giving I'm bougie. It's giving a little bit of gothic. It's giving beach police. It's giving okay. So guys, this is the rest of the face all complete. Guys, this is your smoky nude brownish look, like a chocolatey latte eye look. Guys, this is the rest of the face all complete. Guys, I thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and to give thumbs up to the channel, which helps the channel quite a lot. And always remember to subscribe to the channel, and also to click that bell icon down below so that you won't miss an upload from us. So guys, I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one, guys. This time I'll be consistent with posting, guys. I don't want to keep you hanging. I don't keep you in suspense. But guys, very soon I'll be giving you I'll be doing vlogs, and I'll be doing like beauty vlogs, to be precise, like wig making vlogs, hair making vlogs, and quite a lot of beauty stuff lined up for you guys. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, lovely.